Hello, it's Monday, December the 13th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. US currency rose against most of its major counterparts after benchmark Treasury yields reached a 6-month high last week on speculation that an extension of tax cuts will boost US growth. NASDAQ increased by 0.80% and Dow Jones rose by 0.35%. Crude fell by 0.7% to close at $87 a barrel. Gold fell by 0.6% to close at $1,384 an ounce. Today, no economic data is expected. The euro fell against the dollar to close a week that saw nothing but decline in the currency. This week's European Union leaders will discuss the creation of a permanent mechanism to shore up over-indebted countries as the European Central Bank tries to hammer out plans to aid the region's weakest lenders. As long as the pair continues to trade below 132.50, a short position is preferred. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 131.78 and a high of 132.83. Today, the ECB president is due to speak. The pound rose against the dollar after PPI output came out 0.30% as expected. Next resistance on the daily chart is at 159. If the rate breaks above this, a long position is preferred. If down, the pair could decline to 156. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 157.47 and a high of 158.62. Today, PPI input is expected at 0.50% versus 2.10% prior. The yen fell against the dollar last Friday. The Bank of Japan's forecast for an end to deflation in 2011 and 35 trillion yen, that's $417 billion of spending, have done little to change thinking in the bond market, where investors see 8 more years of falling prices. As long as the dollar-yen is trading above 83 levels, a long position is preferred. Next resistance is located at 84.40. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 83.45 and a high of 84.01. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the loonie rose for a third day, trimming gains as stocks paired in advance. The Bank of Canada stated that the risk to the nation's financial system has increased in the past 6 months because of Europe's debt crisis, global trade imbalances, and the rising debt of local households. The trade balance came out minus 1.70 billion, better than expected, minus 2 billion. Resistance on the 1-hour chart is at 101.50. If the pair breaks above this level, the momentum will become positive for the US dollar. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 100.83 and a high of 101.16. Today, BOC Governor Carney speaks. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.